Metro yun. Good morning here now. Early morning. Time check basta alas 6 na. 6:15 guys. So dito ang lift natin. Yeah, we going to pick up my sister Jenna sa airport. Galing siya ng Philippines. So ego. Uy. Okay guys. Ay tinabo na nila yung salamin. Dito tayo sa lift pababa. Ng condo ni Natalie. No. So dito ang lobby. Okay, nandoon si Kuya Pogi. Guys, okay. Ito ang umaga dito sa Toronto. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Have a blessed day, guys. Alright, yan ang sunrise natin. Oh, okay. Yes, there you go. Okay guys, so time check, ayan, 6:20 na siya. Oh, look at it, the street here. May show, Mamma Mia, August 4. So eto guys, ang kanilang Bay Street College West Side. Ito, ang map. Bizarro, Pizza Market. So dito guys, ang street nila. Mafoggy daw. Early morning pa lang kasi. So ito guys, antayin natin ang street light. Oops. Savings. Tapos ito, walk na. Ay, puti ang walk. Hindi green. Sa Hong Kong is green. Ito naman white. Oops, stop na daw. 14, 15. So, ito farm boy, ang doon kay Natalie. So, ito pala tandaan ko, farm boy na building siya. Oh, this is the train.
Street car.
Ha?
Street car.
Street?
Car.
Street car. Parang metro. Okay. Parang metro, guys. Take pa to. Metro yun. Oh, I see Holiday Inn over there. Holiday Inn. Good morning, doves. So, college part here. So, this is the street here. We're going to airport, guys. O, yung street Y-O-N-G-E. Yung street.
Yeah.
Oh, parang ito yung old na housing nila, oh. Building. Okay, so pasok tayo dito sa metro. College Park Shops, Food Court, College Station. Hi. Shout out. This is it, subway. Pasok tayo. Okay, remember dito tayo lumabas kagabi. Maganda na ko yung mag-commute para malaman namin naman yung mga lakaran dito. Ganitong subway, oh. Malinis din. So, ito ang metro nila. Tap ko. I use Visa card here. Okay, good. That's good. I use my Visa card in the metro. Accepted. Morning. So, ito guys, ang kanilang metro. I wanna take photo. Kasi para ako, alam ko, i-review ko sa bahay. So, we are northbound trains. Ayan, pababa tayo. Kunin mo muna. So, we are here na in the train. Okay guys, so dito na kami sa may train. Okay. So, masyadong mahaba. Dito tayo. Balik kami ng terminal. So, we going down there. Galing kami ng Kipling. That is Terminal 3 and 1. So, there. Dito kami sa, Yonge. Gloriong. Hello, good morning! Guys, good morning, sabi ko. Pero time check, 6:45 in the evening na. Is noon? Night na, guys. But you still have a light here in Canada. Yes, guys. So, ito, we're walking around here in the College Street here in Toronto with my sister Natalie there. Okay. Alas 8 na ba yan? This is our first day in Toronto, Canada. Hi! Ganito guys ang araw dito magsi 7 o'clock na pero ayan, maliwanag pa rin. Parang alas 3 ng hapon. Look at this is the resident parking and this is College Street here in Toronto. Yeah. And the other one is on that area, Toronto Discovery District. Here on the left side is Gerald Street West. Okay. Wait, Neng! Bakit nakapula? Stop! Baliktad sa amin kasi walking is a green one na may walking yun. Yung hand niya is nakaganon, naka-stop pula. Pero walking pa yun dito. So yun ang kailangan natin tandaan guys na mga rules, especially if we go to the other country. Yung way of road nila. Okay, this area is Chelsea Hotel. So the same hotel also we're going to live in New York. We stay in the Chelsea Hotel in New York. So they have also here Chelsea Hotel here in Toronto, Canada. Yeah, so by next week guys we're going to New York. Hospital is St. Hillian Center for Research and Learning Sick Kids for the children daw to yan. So Natalie sabi niya diyan. Ayan, pambata lang ito. Mga parang hospitals, right? So there you go. Oo. Top 1 sa buong mundo daw to. Kids. Toronto Metropolitan University. Correct. Toronto Metropolitan University. Here in Toronto. Of course, Canada. Charot lang. Nihingal ako. Kasi we walking guys. So, look, it's so amazing. Kasi, tingkat ng araw. Yeah, 7 past now. Ayan, So, dito na tayo sa downtown, guys. Dito ang parang pinaka Times Square nila. Times Square in Hong Kong, charot. Times Square in New York, yan. Look naman, this is, magsasarado na daw. Let's go. So, look, a lots of selling here also in the streets. Ayan, mga toys. Yan, pang sabit-sabit sa mga ating bag. Wow, mga flowers, mga gawa-gawa lang nila. Wow, very creative sila, Okay, we are here now inside in Eaton Center. Yeah. So guys, right there. Toronto Eaton Center. H&M, of course. Urban Eatery, Toronto Eaton Center. And the other one is Transit Subway, guys. Alright. Dito tayo magtingin sa mga. Alright. Dito, winners! Laban. Oh, come on. Blue. Blue notes. Pampiya din na. Ha? Oo. Lang ka nang. Where's Natalie? Saan tayo, B? Dito ka? Dito guys, Winners. Oh, balabati ka ta video. Dito naman sa shop natin is Rejourneys. Journey. Rejourneys. So we going to our journey.
No problem. So usually it costs this much for the minimum package, $25 for 20 gigs. I do a World Cup discount. I charge you 18 with tax for 20 gigs of data.
20 gigs.
Potentially for prepaid we don't. The reason why is prepaid. They designed it to only work in Canada.
Only the same is only Canada?
Yes.
Cannot choose to USA?
No, it has to be like a
Pero kaya
postpaid
18 lang
which
naman.
then it costs you more
18
money.
lang naman, di ba?
Okay.
Alright.
So we are here in Wireless Wave. So we buying our
They call me
SIMs.
Zuher.
What's your name?
They call me Zuher.
Yeah, his
That's
name
what
is
the name tag
Zuher.
says, yeah.
Zuher. Okay. So we bought the SIM here. The price in Hong Kong dollars 18 plus 25 cents. Yeah,
My
18.25.
customer-
The total
Okay na siya?
amount is 102 Hong Kong dollars. Quite
Giving you the receipt, no?
yeah. So guys, we are here now in the Eton.
Yes, it's the boss.
Eton
It's early.
Mall.
No, of course.
Okay guys, so we are here now in downtown Toronto. So on the head of my back, sightseeing, sightseeing pass. So that would be also in my so we have this one. They call City Pass actually. So this is our first day here in Toronto. We can ride on that one, ride City. Okay guys, so dito tayo sa may Cathedral Church here in downtown. Okay. Toronto. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. Good afternoon. Time out. Time in. Charot. So guys, ito 7:45 na PM in the evening. Pero look at it. Meron pa ring araw. So dito tayo behind me, the Cathedral Church here in Toronto. Yeah, this is the Holy Trinity. Yeah, Holy Trinity Church. Yeah. So guys, okay. Continue na ito mamaya. Okay guys, so ito walk na tayo guys. Okay. Here naman is the City Hall of Toronto, Canada. So there guys naman ay so guys, this street is Higuermont. Ayan, Higuermont Street here in the City Hall of Toronto. Okay, they're riding bicycle guys. So, walking na kaya ayan, lahat bicycle na sila. Kain tayo kaya dito tayo sa Xuechuang. Ayan, Xuechuang. Okay.
So you choose
Chinese food.
Sabihin
Oo, parang sa Hong Kong din. Kunwari, ano siya? Ito, end of the special, $9.95. Okay, CAD. Rice and noodle, $5.50 lang. So, magkaiba. So, there you go.
Ay, magkakaito kayo. Bibigyan ka daw ng dress sa Ate Karen. Say thank you. Thank you.
So, dito naman guys, pizza, combo, and pasta. Ayan.
Tingok na yan.
4 slices, $10? What, this 1, 2, 3, 4? Wow, okay, can I have one? Yeah, 4 slices, I mean $10. What? Yeah, I need 2 spicy and then the other one is original. So what is that one? That one, the front one. Yeah. One. No, for tomorrow. $10. Apa.
Isang box 12.
Hold on. Pepperoni? Pepperoni? Yeah.
Yes.
That one. So how many slices now? One more?
Ayo.
No. Okay, this one. No, because this one is spicy, so cannot be here. No spicy. All right.
Kaya pala eh.
Yeah. So ito.
want to take two more slices for $5?
No, it's okay then. It's the same anyway. 10 for 4. So it's $5 for 2. Charot ka talaga. Akala mo bobo ako. Ayan. Ayan, oh guys, oy. Soft drinks sila. Okay, yan na lang ang pang breakfast natin or morning.
Karen, we need to diet.
Okay. There you go. Na-try ko siya. I use my kabayang card. Oh. Thank you guys. Shout out on my vlog. What's your name? Shubab. Okay. What's the name of your Sabaro? Yeah, we have also Sabaro in Hong Kong. Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Guys, behind me the CN Tower here in Toronto, Canada. There you go. Yeah, I'll be there tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, we're coming here in TNT supermarket to buy our needs. The same area of Bay Street. So there's si Janalyn. Guys, ang lalaki ng kanilang apple. Magkano isa? 198. One each, Neng? 198 each. Per pound. 1.98 cat. Pero ang lalaki nila. We bought one. 8.19 cat. Just one jasmine tea. 49 Hong Kong. Yeah, I bought one. Give to Karen. 8.49 each. So, pumapatak ng 6, 8, 54. Okay. Okay guys, pa tayo dito. 6 times 6, 36 Hong Kong isa. Tea time. Design pa rin siya. Nakahanap si Linto Insi.
因为这只有那个洗衣服的肥皂。
对啊，我刚刚找。
Ayun, hindi. Nakahanap siya ng kausap niya.
好像没有，
是没有的哈，
好像没有。这是有吗？那条有吗？看了吗？没有就没有了。
Mayo. Kaya mo ko, sisini. Ama, when you are small, ito pabababal.
Okay na
Pang
to,
ano,
$4,
yeah.
okay.
Pang
Sa
washing
bra,
clothes.
sa-
Yeah, that is it.
Sa
Nakahanap
medyas
din
movie
tayo.
pwede. Yan.
Malinis pa to, parang perla.
Yes.
Yeah, parang perla, but this one
Pero
is
mabango.
Chinese, yeah.
Pero mabangog siya.
Mabango.
Yeah, okay na to, be.
Yes, nakahanap din kami sa wakas ng bar soap.
Bar soap, it's so hard to find.
Yeah, it's so hard to find. We can find. Ang bango-bango. Eto, gamit namin sabon sa Hong Kong, ganyan. Panlabas sa mga, alam mo sa damit. Oh. Kasi wala kami panlabas sa underwear. Charot. Tapos, wala kami panlaba. We going to America. Yes, in New York. So, magdala kami ng isa panlaba doon. Laba-laba. Philippine style. Oh.
Alright.
Meron. Oh, 4.29 bar soap. It's only 30 Hong Kong dollar. I found you bar soap. Sa bagay maganda rin to. Yan oh, ganun. Okay,
na lang muna, bili ako ng
Blue Jays. So, you use first the ID? Okay. Okay, the bar soap. Yan, okay.
100 please.
Credit card. Sana all. Alright. Alright, thanks. Orange juice. Alright.